Good afternoon, paint pouring cellmates. I'm just about to do another quite large canvas. If you want to screenshot that, that's my pouring medium and how I mix up my paints. Well, for this particular pour today, I'm doing this particular work on a 50 by 76 centimetre gallery wrap canvas. So it's a nice big canvas, so I can't get it all in the frame, but I've done preparation underneath because this is a gallery wrapped, a nice canvas. I have put the masking tape so it stops the paint going underneath and getting it all messy. So if you mask, you just go to that little bit of trouble of putting the masking tape on. You have a nice clean back when you've finished and you take that tape off. Then I've used my push pins to be able to stand it nicely. So yeah, to work on. So I'm going to use, as you might think, a big motley colour of paints that I had pre-mixed, and I'm going to work myself around and just gradually see what I need on this canvas and where my eye takes me for colour. So I'll try and say the colours as we go along. So just bear with me and I'll get started. I'm going to start with this is called oh goodness, palm green. This one's called banana leaf. It's the other green that's palm green, banana leaf. So I'm just going to pour in what works best for me, this kind of fashion. So don't be shy, just, as I said, this is quite a large canvas and I don't like videoing large canvases because I can't get the whole of them in with my amateur setup. But I just thought it's bound to turn out gorgeous if I haven't videoed it, and then everybody's going to ask me, oh, the video. This one is the palm green. These particular paints are a mixture of Australian brands, so I'm sorry if you can't get them in the country that you're watching, but maybe it'll work the same if you get the same consistencies with whatever pouring medium works for you. So I'm just spreading the colour to basically wherever my eye tells me that I need it. Okay, that's got rid of those two. I'm going to throw, this is just yellow that I toned down a bit with white. I used my particular pouring medium I used for these paints was I pre-mixed the 70% glue all, Elmer's glue all, with 30% water, and just mix it in the 4 litre container really well, give it a shake, and it's then ready to use. I add no more than 2 to 4 drops of Helmar silicone oil. You can get that on eBay, I think, $6 or $7, not expensive. It's just the one I use and the one I found works nicely. Okay, this is just the bright yellow. This one is a brand called Byron, which is an Australian brand again. If there's anybody in America that wants to send me their brands to try in Australia, quite happily do that. Give it a go in Australia. So always open to suggestion. It's a really rainy, miserable day here in paradise, so just bear with me. If you can hear it pouring with rain, we keep having this like April showers. This is just tiny little bit of burnt umber that I used previously. I'm just going to pour it on the corners, just basically to get rid of it. and it won't spoil my painting at all. I hear so many people say, oh, your colours, you know, you always are good with colours, but if you just give something a go and it doesn't work, what have you got to lose? You know, you can always make something of a bad painting by either embellishing it or just somebody will like it. Okay, so it's got rid of that bit. I'm going to go in with my golds now, which this is a Global Paint gold. It's called Bling, and it was a special that they did, so I don't suppose it's one that's going to be freely available now. Okay, so if anybody's finding my videos a bit long and they just I don't care if you speed it along, just happy if it's helping somebody to give this art form a go. Actually, this is another metallic gold. I'm going to just put a bit of this in. As you know, with metallics, they are usually made, I usually like to make up mixed a little bit thicker than any of the others, just because they just sink. So, as somebody said to me, when you see your paintings at this particular stage, you've got no idea that they're ever going to turn out the way they do in the end, which is the nice thing about it, I believe. Okay, I'm going to get rid of these. One was silver in metallic pearl. So again, that particular brand is Byron Paints. So I've got a mixture here of glow.